Akumnandanga ukuva into yoba I am not sure igama eli-right lokumele ndilisebenzise ne whether ndithi ukuva into yoba izibotshwa okanye imigilamkhuba uGaty McKenzie for that matter uthanda ukusebenzisa igama lebhantinti andikho sure uba li-right na, but nje ukuva into yoba ngelanga bona bafumana i-500 rands, sithetha nge-15,000 ngenyanga, yi-500 ngelanga, yi-15,000 or 15,500 if inyanga iphela nge-31 days. Kube kuthi ngenyanga i-law-abiding citizens ezingasebenzi zifumana i-350, ubaqhatha nge-350 ngenyanga. Ingabe indlela yakhe eyoku-encourage into yoba abantu mabenze imigilamkhuba kwenzela into yoba bazokwazi ukuyobhantinta and then bazokwazi into yoba bangabi na-stress soba balala bedleni, banxiba ntoni, i-DSTV yabhatalwa njani, bakwazi nokufunda ngaphakathi entolongweni na? Kona lizaduma. Utshilo uGeneral Mkhwanazi wathi this is a disaster awaiting.
These other disasters that are coming. When you look at the level of unemployment, especially on the youth in this country, the way it's escalating, it's a disaster in waiting. So when the pipe bursts, we might come back and say we have no intelligence, and yet there's warnings that are coming. There is more rights for those in prison than you have for the person on the street. And I want to challenge you to look at your budget expenditure for the people in custody per day cost of an inmate versus what the grant you are giving to a person who's a law-abiding citizen outside the month. 350 versus 350 a month versus a 500 rands a day. That's how the scale is like. So come to prison, you're going to get education for free, you're going to get free food, you're going to get shelter, you don't run out of water and so forth. Go outside of prison, you live in a shack. You must rob someone to have bread to eat at night. That's a reality that we find in this country. So the legislation must really, legislators yourself, we plead that you must please look at these things so that when we recruit in the police, we must recruit people who want to protect themselves, not the career people that they can't find jobs somewhere else and they come to the police as a job opportunity that is created.